Because when you say come and clear the air, it's as though somebody has done something wrong. It's as though I have sinned, or I have told a lie, or I thought I did something bad. So I need to come and clarify myself to defend myself. But hey.
Yeah, take on Mama Kwaba, Eba Kine TV. So, Yene Sylvester Madu, ene ye won so I beka nsem kakra bi, but before then ye hwe video bi a nkrofo bi ekotwa boys bi etwa ye omode beto na so mo di fe mo di ye bra yi ho fe kakra, but all the same ye hwe mra.
Okay, so why una je kwa bia na age
uchem dem
oga dem me no
ne ke boga
I swear.
Okay, so any twagu ye no ni nyina ne se omokoto se Sylvester Madu, this legend veteran actor megidi se wunim no ne picture ene da so no wunim no oshasi ni twase enye ne in Nigeria. He started way back, you know, with the likes of Desmond Elliott and Stephen Okereke, Omotola. You can call their names. Yeah, Mike Zwinye, Nansudi Obi, like Ache, what I say. So he's not a small boy. But the thing is, people are saying, say, Ejuma we are in a fatano. But maybe as a star, as a celebrity, Ejuma be who fatao ana, Ejuma be who am fatawana. Once it puts food on your table and it's not illegal, is it bad? Yankona yene Sylvester in church and komoka krebi na yembra. Okay, so Sylvester, in some bebre and ekoso ewo enframum yahu videos bi yatete nsem bi yahu pictures bi yana ujina bi. I want you to clear the air yourself.
Because when you say come and clear the air, it's as though somebody has done something wrong. It's as though I have sinned, or I have told a lie, or I thought I did something bad. So I need to come and clarify myself to defend myself. But hey, I was just doing my business.
Okay, we get you, Matthias. But yeah, so the thing is, do you sell okrika?
I don't sell okrika.
Okay.
I buy from Walmart, I buy from Macy's, I buy from different stores once they are on sales. So I get those things from the US, put them in a car, ship it. It's not okrika. These are new clothes. They all have their labels.
So how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this, if I would say, professionally. I've been doing it for over 10 years.
Okay, so Mami Misa, let me ask you, what is okrika? You call okrika any day?
I have a car now, it's outside even. That's the car I came with. I'm selling it. Many things we use in Nigeria here is okrika. What is okrika? Okrika is pre-owned.
So if I sell okrika, I sell ubagana ebeka se fools. What you say? Me ton fools na me star na me feel say me ton na me dey ahema busu na me ma me. What is the problem? Do you feed me? Okay, so that is that. He's been in the game for a longer period. Yeah, me started share na check. And say Obekana, he's mostly into, you know, the gangster level. And Tina Nkrofo say, oh yes, and it was like na brabo na nsini ya na say dintia or yibisa. But he's clarified the air. The thing is, my friend, whatever you want to do it. And fahone de obika, because nobody fits you. The thing rightly to be done, they say, don't do something that will infringe the rights of somebody. And could take you before who so. But once you are doing something that will give you money, and how obedient. What is the problem with it? Alright? Nobody fits anybody. So anything that you're doing that doesn't infringe on the rights of somebody is good to go. But aside that, you know, I want us to just be very vigilant and also support this cause. Me no and I build this community. Me boss was study and me pese obinya information I am misinformed. I don't want you to be in a different angle. And you know, subscribe to my channel no na yenko yedim. Me da wase. More to come. Watch out.